Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can disable content suggestion by Soundcloud. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Soundcloud app on your device. Now tap on the library icon. After that, select the gear button. From here, tap on the notifications. Now toggle off the button beside suggested content. And that's it. SoundCloud will no longer notify you from the content suggestion. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.